Magandang hapon po ng August 15, 2023 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon na Tuesday, August 15, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng August 15, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 15, 2023 Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 32 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 15 million pesos for August 15, 2023 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for August 15, 2023 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.